My first bike trailer was an absolute monstrosity to haul around. In this video I'll show you the newer, lighter, faster and smaller trailer that I currently use.
greensandmachines.com.
I began by disassembling some futon frames I had trash picked. I made some staggered cuts in one of the frames so I could make the square formation. Considering this thing was already partially welded, I felt like I didn't need to do any welding for this trailer. I joined the two halves together with pop rivets, connecting the tubing pieces together like so. Once I had this rectangle base, I made some dropouts for the wheels on the milling machine, though these could have easily been made with a hand drill file and a hacksaw. I designed this trailer to use 20-inch wheels due to their wide availability, and unlike the other trailer, these wheels are only supported on one side. The only modification I had to do was readjust the axle spacing so one side had more threads sticking out than the other. This way I could secure them on the dropouts with two nuts. For the linkage to the bike, one of the futons had curved pieces for the legs. I cut one of these in half and attached it onto the trailer frame with some aluminum spacers I machined on the milling machine, though these could have also been made with a hacksaw and a file. The three pieces are all screwed together like so. For the trailer hitch, I copied this design from a company called Bikes at Work that utilizes a Heim joint for the pivoting mechanism. Using some random scrap pieces, I bolted this onto my bike. And then for the curve piece, I attached on some bolts with holes through them to accept a trailer hitch pin. This is retained in with a key ring. Lastly, I made a light to go on the back. I modified some bike light I found in the street to accept a 1/4-inch thread.